Open the package gently. The package includes one manual, one monitor, one cigarette lighter adapter, one extra power cord, one monitor extension cord, one power and video 2-in-1 wire, one bracket, one camera, one green splitter, four bracket screw, two reverse slide connector sets, this is a mirror monitor. You can replace the original mirror with it. Set the brackets here. You can use both the original brackets or this one in this package. You can install or uninstall the brackets like this. This screw is to set these brackets on your car, and if you use original brackets in your car, then you won't need these brackets. Connect the extension cord to monitor. There are two yellow video connectors. This splitter has positive and negative sides. Connects the power cord to this. Red to positive side, black to negative side. This is a license plate camera. Yellow connector for video, red connector for power. This is the power and video 2-in-1 cord. One side has 2 extra wires, the other side doesn't. There are 2 ways to do wiring. Way number 1, reverse use only. Connects the side without extra wires to monitor. Red to green splitter, yellow to video. If you use only one camera, then either channel works. If you use 2 cameras, we recommend set this camera on channel V2. At the other side, red to power, yellow to video. These extra wires are for power from reverse lights. In this way, system will be triggered when in reversing and works only when in reversing. Now we need these connector sets. One of them is red and the other is black. Remove the outer skin and expose the Cooper wires. Stick the Cooper wires into these light blue items. Open the dark blue item. There is a metal piece in it. If metal piece falls, then fix it back and steel. Attach it on the power cord of reverse lights. The metal piece will connect to the inner parts. Fix it still like this. Adjust the copper wire and the metal piece in this item. The previous step is in order to stick dark blue parts in easier. Dark blue item is supposed to contain the copper wire and metal piece and the light blue item. Red to red, black to black. Way number 2. Continuous use. Disconnects the previous connection. Turn round the 2-in-1 cord. Red to red, black to black. Connects these wires to the green splitter. Red to positive, black to negative. Fix them still like this. Connected to cigarette lighter adapter. Plug the adapter into lighter. Press the button to turn on or off the power. In this video, we connected to the wrong channel, so it didn't light up. Don't make the same mistake. If the image doesn't come on, don't think it is defective, maybe just because of the wrong channel. Now the monitor is in off mode. Press this button to turn on. The monitor will stay on. In the on mode, both channels work. In the off mode, only V2 will trigger on the monitor. If you have any questions or still unable to install it properly, please contact us for tech help at this email address, leekulu@outlook.com.